Today we're talking about the new Slate Digital Connect application. So, if you guys are fellow VMR or everything bundle holders like myself, then you guys have been waiting for something like this, and definitely trust me on that. And if you guys haven't heard of this before, that's completely okay because it is brand new. So in this video, I'm going to go over what the Connect application can do and let you know how it solves all of your download and update issues you may be experiencing with the Slate plugins, okay? So if you guys want to learn more and learn more about this Connect application, stick around after this introduction.
Imagine softly.
Welcome everybody, I'm Dan Spencer and I am the Audio Sorcerer. So this is the channel where I teach you how to perfect your audio recording, mixing and mastering skills. So before we get to the video, make sure you guys smash the like button, please subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when I have new videos coming out. So without further ado, today we're talking about the new Slate Digital Connect. So what this does is it allows you to take all of your Slate plugins and download and update them all within one application. So if you are like me, this is what you have been waiting for, because before this, we had to go in to their website and basically download each plugin individually and install it individually. And now we no longer have to do that with the new Slate Digital Connect. So I'm loving this new product and I think you guys are gonna like it too. So first, let me show you where you actually get this plugin at. So you're going to go to slatedigital.com, and then you're going to go to My Account here in the top right, and then you want to go down to Sign In Now, and I'm going to sign into my account, and we'll be right back. All right, cool. So here we are in my dashboard, and we are going to scroll down to download your plugins. So I'm going to click on this here. And then you'll see for installers right underneath it, we have the new Slate Digital Connect, and it is in beta, so just keep that in mind, but I have tested it, kind of, and it works completely fine, installs no issues. We're actually going to update my plugins in this video, so I can't say that I fully tested it, but we'll get to that in a second. So choose your OS here, so I have Windows, and then simply just pick where you want to save it, download it, and then install it, and then you're ready to go. Now I do want to mention I have a link popping up in the top right corner now to my iLok licensing tutorial video. So if you guys are getting these plugins for the first time, you are going to have to license them with the iLok manager. So definitely check out that video if you need to. So now we're actually going to launch the application so you can see what it looks like. All right, so this is what the Slate Digital Connect application looks like, and it's pretty nifty. You got all of your graphics in here per plugin. You got a description. And if I scroll down here, you can see they're all in here. And you can see ones that are up to date will say up to date here, and ones that need an update will clearly say update in blue and let you know what version they're going to update to. And this right here shows you the current version that I'm on. So as you can see, I'm doing a pretty poor job of updating my Slate plugins, and that has a lot to do with the process because again, the process before this was pretty poor. So I do not update them very often, okay? So over here on the left-hand side, I will tell you how many updates you have available. So I have 24. You can view it as all plugins, or it is currently broken down to the virtual mix rack if you just want to see that, okay? Now, one thing I want to mention about this application is it doesn't house other Slate plugins. So for example, it doesn't have the Slate drum trigger plugin. It doesn't have like Steven Slate drums. It doesn't have the VSX headphones plugin in here. Okay, it's all stuff related just to the virtual mix rack and everything that comes with the everything bundle. So just keep that in mind. And I do want to mention in the top right corner now, I have a link popping up to my Slate VMR tutorial I did going over every module within the plugin. And if you really want to know how these modules work and what applications they should be used for, definitely check out this video after you finish this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to the Updates tab here, and then in the top right corner here, it says Update All. So I'm going to update all these plugins now. As you can see, there's 24 in here, so quite a bit. And I'm going to let you guys know how long it took. So we will be back after the updates are complete. I will see you then. All right, so it has been 20 minutes and it has downloaded and installed all the plugins but one. So I did run into an issue. So with the Kilohertz bundle here, I am on version 1.8.2 and it wants to go to 1.8.17. So maybe it's too far apart. I don't really know. But what happens is when I go to update, I get an error up here. Okay, so this is maybe something that they need to work out. You know, obviously they're still in beta, so it's okay. So I'm just going to go on the website and I'm going to download this one individually and install it after this video's over, and I'll take care of that. Okay, but overall, good experience. 20 minutes to do 24 updates. That's quite a bit. So, I mean, remember, downloaded them all and then installed them. So this is 100 times better than a process that we used to have to go through to install the Slate plugins. So this is the new Slate Digital Connect. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe because I'm making this content for you, and hit that notification bell to know when I have new videos coming out. So with that being said, until the next video, I will see you guys later, and peace out.